Hi everybody and a warm welcome back to Maple Leaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Petra, Andrew's wife. On the bench today is a cute little Hot Wheels Kool Kombi. It's our entry for this year's Painted Pink Invitational in support of breast cancer awareness. The Painted Pink event is hosted by the Four Horsemen. Of course, Andrew is one of the build team members, and this is an issue dear to my heart, so I'm happy to make another cameo appearance. Once again, I want to show my support for all the brave women who are currently struggling with and working through a breast cancer diagnosis, and also celebrating with the survivors. Be sure to watch all of the other Painted Pink videos to show your support too. Thanks. As I take the Kombi apart, you can see that there are no defects or blemishes on it. It's brand new. The glass is perfect. The interior will get a color change, and there are some exterior details to do, and I'll upgrade these wheels for a beautiful new set of salmon wheels that suit this one perfectly. Of course, it will get a full makeover in pink too. This is my third appearance on Maple Leaf Customs for the Painted Pink Invitational. I pick my cars based on cuteness, and this one gets a 10 out of 10. I love it. We had a VW van when I was a teenager that used to be an ambulance, as my dad worked for the Red Cross for 25 years. My parents converted it into a transportation van when they started to build a house and home for us. We had many trips back and forth in this car and we loved it. If you've become interested in this hobby by watching Andrew's videos, then I can tell you that you can do this too. I'm doing my own work on the Kombi. Of course, Andrew is coaching me, but if a girl can do it, why don't you give it a try? I brush on the paint stripper, and here we say goodbye to the yellow and the moon eyes. After about 10 minutes, the old paint comes off easily. I'm inviting you to show your support of my husband's YouTube channel by liking this video and subscribing. You'll see his excellent customizations every Saturday. He does die-cast cars as well as super cool fantasy builds. These are the original wheels that came on the car. They are okay, but I'm going to upgrade them to a pair of great looking pink and white Samet wheels in real rubber. Samet is so kind to sponsor Maple Leaf Customs, so when you go to www.sametwheels.com to make your next order, be sure to use the promo code MapleLeaf to get a free gift as a bonus. This week's community spotlight is on Isaac's Mini Customs. Follow the link in the description to check out his YouTube channel to see his stuff. I go over the whole casting with a wire brush attachment on a Dremel tool. Notice that I wear a pair of protective glasses for safety. To get all my fingerprints off, I use a standard engine degreaser and I give it a good cleaning with a microfiber cloth. The body now gets primed in matte white with a spray can because I'm going to change the color on it. Remember the theme. My favorite part happens right here in the spray booth. Let's paint it pink. It's hot pink. Barbie's been getting a lot of attention this year with her movie, so I hope we have a great turnout of participants for this event. Then I apply some glitter on top of that. I'm wearing a mask, but I should have sunglasses on. Wow! This casting is perfect for a two-tone paint job. So I mask off what I don't want covered, following the body lines. This is my first try at using an airbrush. It's not so hard. I'm a bit nervous peeling the masking tape off, but it didn't lift any pink paint, so I'm happy about that. It's a great looking pink and white contrast now, isn't it? The headlights, indicators and VW badge get highlighted and the door handles too. In the back, I chromed the engine with a toothpick. I even painted the little wheelies on the back to match the big ones. And the surfboards will get some bright colors as well. Now it's time for the one single decal that Andrew made up for me, a pink ribbon. This is the emblem of the Breast Cancer Foundation, so it goes prominently on the ragtop roof of the Kombi. Let's not forget what this invitational is all about. Now that the paint and the clear lacquer are dry and fully cured, I can put everything back together. There are only 4 main pieces plus the wheels, so it's not too difficult to do. The original Kombi looked great, but now let's see how it looks in the October painted pink theme. Wow, that really stands out, doesn't it? I think it looks very pretty. All the details came out so well. I love it. Hope is the key word today for all those affected by breast cancer. We all know someone who has been impacted by this disease in one way or the other. And I'm sending my love to each of you who need support. Please never give up. Please try to watch as many of the other Painted Pink videos on YouTube as you can. There will be lots of them. Remember, we are raising awareness for breast cancer research. I gave this custom to my dear friend Julia, who is a very brave breast cancer survivor. In appreciation, her family has made a very generous donation to the Breast Cancer Foundation. Thank you very much. Thank you for visiting Maple Leaf Customs again today. I hope you enjoyed this custom. I'm no Andrew, but I did my very best. Please revisit again soon and often. It's pumpkin spice latte time.